Last night, while I was asleep, my paper trading bot took 3 trades on Bitget, and 1 is winner and 2 small losses, and it's roughly flat. And honestly, that's exactly what I wanted to say. Because here is where I'm right now. I'm a crypto trader and I'm not a developer, and I have spent the last 2 weeks teaching myself to build trading bot using Claude Code and the Bitget API. I'm not going to tell you it's making me rich. It's paper trading, bro. No real money yet. And that's the whole point of this video series. I want you to watch me build this thing properly from zero before any of my actual money goes near it. So if you're a crypto trader who is tired of staring at charts, missing entries because you were sleeping, bro, or revenge trading after a bad day. So bro, this is the series I wish I would had 6 months ago. Quick thing before we go further. I'm doing all of this on Bitget. If you want to follow along with the actual setup, the sign up link is in the description. Takes about a minute with Google login, and there is a bonus right now for new accounts. So it's worth setting up early because we will be using it soon. So why I'm doing this at all? I have been trading crypto for a while, and the thing nobody tells you when you start is the hardest part isn't picking the right coin. It's you and it's your brain at 2 a.m. when the position is moving against you. It's a FOMO entry after 15% pump, and it's a stop loss you move down just this once because you are sure it will bounce. I got tired of being the weakest link in my own strategy. The way I say it, there are 2 ways to fix that. You either get really good at controlling your emotions, which most people don't, including me, or you take yourself out of the equation entirely. That's what our bot does. It doesn't care about your feelings, it doesn't get scared, it doesn't get greedy, it just runs with strategy. Now, here's the thing. Trading bots are not new. People have been building them for years. So why I'm making a 12 video series about it now? Because something genuinely changed in the last 18 months. Tools like Claude Code can actually write working trading logic. Not perfect and not magics, but good enough that a non-developer like me can describe a strategy in plain English and get real usable Python code back. That wasn't possible before. And when you combine that with an exchange like Bitget that has a clean API documentation and supports both futures and spot, you have got everything you need to build a bot on your laptop. No 42 computers and no PhDs, okay? So just a clear strategy and a patience to test it. So that's what this series is. I'm building this thing in public. Paper trading first, real money once, I trust it. You will see every mistake I make here, and you will see the code, you will see the wins and the losses. Also bro, I'm not going to walk you through the whole roadmap right now. Honestly, half the stuff I am planning will probably change once I run into problems, and I haven't through yet. That's kind of point. You are watching this in real time, not a polished course where I already know the ending. So what I can tell you is the next video. I'm answering one specific question. Why Bitget and not Binance or Bybit? Okay, so because the exchange you pick changes everything about how your bot performs, and most people pick the wrong one for wrong reasons. Okay, let me show you something real quick so this doesn't feel abstract. This is Claude Code, and it's a tool from Anthropic that runs in your terminal. You talk it to like you would talk to a developer friend. You give it some instructions and it writes the code for you. The first thing I asked it was this. I want to build a simple crypto trading bot. It should connect to Bitget. It should check the price of Bitcoin every 5 minutes. If a specific condition is true, it should open the position. If another condition is true, it should close. Start with paper trading mod, no real orders, build it step by step and explain what you are doing. That was the whole prompt. And what came back was a working Python script that connected to Bitget's API, pulled the price of every 5 minutes and logged what it would have done. No money moved, no real orders sent, just a system running showing me what it was thinking. I'm not going to pretend the first version was good. It wasn't at all. It had problems I didn't see for 3 days. But the fact that I could go from idea to a running bot in one afternoon as someone who can barely read Python, that's the part that's new. Okay, so here is what I want you to do if you are new to this series. If you don't have a Bitget account yet, set one up using the link in the description. It's free, take a minute, and the bonus is live. Get the account ready because in a few videos we are going to generating API keys together. Subscribe to my channel Cryptoron because if you get this video series from day one, you will see every mistake before it costs you anything. So the whole point is so clear. You are not a developer, you know this strategy. You want to create a trading bot from your own strategy. You need to do some kind of simple steps, bro. So you can think like this. You have the AI assistant with you. You have the setup Bitget API. Then you can get connected and then watch how it works with your own step-by-step guide. Actually, you don't need to some kind of fetching those backtest data. It can be fetched to the API. So I will guide you in next video how to do this backtest as well and verify how much of win rate your strategy is right now having. So these things are actually automated. So you don't need to spend hours of waiting with backtest. Okay, so systematically it can be run through AI. So basically you need to have some kind of subscription of Cloud AI. Right now I'm using $100 plan like Cloud Max. So it would be much more easier to have like this one because there are other plans as well like $20 and $100 to $100. And that minimum one, the $20 one is not sufficient. Actually I have used that as well, but it is not sufficient and it hits its limits faster, so you cannot spend those things. So make sure to get a $100 one which is Cloud Max. I will put my links in the descriptions so you can get there. So that's it. Okay, so you can drop a comment if you have ever tried to build a trading bot before or if you have been burned by one. I read all of them and the questions people are asking in the comments are going to shape what I cover in the short video series between the main ones. So in the next video, I'm explaining why I picked Bitget specifically. But what I really want you to stick around for is something coming a few videos from now. The mistake I made in week 1 that almost made me ship a broken bot with real money. That's the one I want you to see. I will see you in the next one and hope you enjoy the video. Stick with the playlist.